Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darrenoneil.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to correct an error I'm seeing on VirtualBox, which is interface VirtualBox host-only adapter. It's not a host-only adapter interface. Basically, I've updated Windows 10 and for whatever reason, since my update, it's removed my VirtualBox host-only adapter. And when I go to start any VM that I have in here, you'll see now that I'll get an error when it goes to start for me. Okay, so here's the error we can see if I click on details. VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter. It's not a host only adapter, which is incredibly annoying, and I'm assuming it's due to the update, whatever Windows 10 has done in the background. So all my VMs now look like this. So the only way I've seen to get this corrected is if I go to File and I go to Host Network Manager. And I've created new network adapters here. So basically you most likely will see none in here. So what you do is you click create, and if you're prompted, just click yes for admin. You can create your new host only adapter. So we'll just give this a moment here while it creates the host only adapter for us, and it's done it. So let's have a look here, and we're just going to enable DHCP on both of these, and I'm just going to click close. So now if I come back down to my CentOS GUI, I'm going to go into settings. I'm going to go into my system. Apologies, I'm actually going to go to network, and I'm going to disable this. So I'm going to see now I can set my host only adapter. So I can set it to number 4 here. I can power it on, and hopefully that error will be gone for us now. Okay, perfect, and we can see now that the network is working and the machine's beginning to boot up. Just bear in mind, if you had any static IP addresses, you'll most likely need to change them, or you can change the networking in the host-only network settings in the network host manager in Oracle, in the Oracle settings. Please let me know if this was useful, and if you encountered this issue and you had another way of correcting it, please do let me know. Thanks for watching.